Hello viewers, welcome to Telugu Scit tutorials. This is Cascading Style Sheets Programming Language, Class 47. In this class we are going to link anchor tag to the display properties. Actually we are taking display properties. In this display properties we are giving anchor tag to the display properties. How it is? We are going to take one notepad editor. In this we are typing program on display properties to hyperlink. This is comment line. Program on display properties to hyperlink. This is comment line. After this, basic constant tags. First one, next second one. Under this we are going to take title. In the title we are going to type display properties to hyperlink. After this, title close. Next, in this style type is equals to double quotation text slash CSS double quotation. Now right angle bracket. In this style close. After this head close. After this body begin. Again body close. Within the body we are going to take as usually unordered list UL. Unordered list close. UL close. Within the unordered list we are going to take list. In the list home. List close. After list again we are taking list about. List tag close. List. Now services. List close again. List. Now contact. Again list close. Now UL close. This is UL already close. Under another list home, about, services, contact. After this another list take a small break tag. After this small two breaks like that. BR. Two break tags. After this I am taking an anchor tag. A anchor. I reference HREF I reference is equals to double quotation HTTP colon for double forward slash www.google.com double quotation close, right angle bracket close. After this I am taking click here. After this anchor tag close, A close. The body close, HTML class. Okay. Now I am going to execute this program in browser. Go to browser. Okay, folder. In browser, display, just I am saving it. Go to file, save as, in CSS programs, all files, this display to dot html. Okay, yes. Now go to folder, right click on display to open with Google Chrome browser. This is about the anchor tag. Now I am giving styles to this home, about, services, contact. Click here. If you click on here, it will open in Google. Now come back. Now go to Notepad editor. Again you are going to give styles here. For UL, left brace begin, enter, right brace close. Within the unordered list, I am taking display colon inline. Okay, now Control S, save, go to browser, then this is home, about, services, contact. Now it removes bullets of the home, about, services, contact. Now again go to the notepad. Now I am writing another line. What is that? List hyphen style hyphen type colon none. So now after this semicolon, list hyphen style hyphen type colon none. Now it will come in a single line, but just go to browser and refresh it. There is no any change. Why it is not displaying any change? So here we are giving styles to the unordered list. Now I am changing that UL to LI. I am giving that styles to list. Now Control S, change. Now go to editor, browser, then refresh it. See here. Now it is coming in single line. Single line. Home, about, services, contact. Again you click here. It will reach to Google browser. So okay. This is the program about this giving a anchor tag. Here giving anchor tag. If you give like this, then it will go to Google. Now you give here YouTube, like that, Facebook. Save it. Now go to editor, refresh it. Just refresh it. Just click here. Now it will reach to facebook.com. Here email, password, like that. So whatever you give, according to that it will reach to that. Now here instead of Facebook I will give some youtube.com or instagram.com. Control S, save it. Alt tab, go to browser. Just click here. Now it will reach to Instagram. This is Instagram. Okay. Okay. Class kintanandi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.